Yo, what's going on, VIP family? Welcome back to another episode. So today, I'm gonna be replacing the fog lights on the LS430. Unfortunately, one of them cracked. So I seen that when I was detailing the car. Also ran into another issue. So I'm gonna be replacing the fog lights, and then I'll go over pretty much what's gonna be getting done to the car this year, 2022 show season. Get the car ready. Change up a couple things that that need to be changed up. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So yeah, go to Lexus. Hope everybody's year is starting off right. Hope you guys had a good Christmas, a good New Year's. But yeah, let's get into what's gonna get done. So today, like I said, we're replacing the fog lights because unfortunately it cracked. So I ordered those off eBay. These are actually, they're not the OEM Mod Parfum fog lights. Those are pretty much a pain in the ass to find. But I end up getting these ones. These are actually from a Mercedes. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. So if you do have a Mod Parfum body kit, but you do not have the fog lights, or you want to replace the fog lights, I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. This issue happened last week. I was detailing the car and I seen that shit cracked. So I'm gonna be taking this down to my body guy, have him refix that, repaint it, and then have him redo this side too. Right here, starting to crack. So no biggie, you know, just trying to get the car ready for show season 2022. What else? Oh yeah, so I ended up ordering a shark fin for the antenna, because obviously you guys that own the LS430s know that the little antenna sticks out. So this is going to be pretty much a replacement for it. Gives it that more modern look, and it suits well with the car, feel me? So I'll leave a link for that in the description down below too. That will be painted to match the car. Besides that, that's pretty much it. I do plan on wrapping the car, if not painting it. The paint I was looking at was gonna be a battleship gray, so I do plan on doing that. I'll see how much it costs and everything. If I don't want to go that route, then I'll probably just wrap it, because obviously the white looks good. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually paint it, because eventually I'm gonna get tired of the battleship gray and want to go back. So I'll probably just better off wrapping it. If I do wrap it, I'll do a video of that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this fog light video and let's swap these out. All right, so I got the broken one out. As you can see, it says broken. Pretty shot at that. This is the new one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swap them out. Pretty much put it back in there. It should fit perfectly. Don't really see a difference in sizing, so everything should line up, fit perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. Quick, something to point out. I noticed that it wasn't sitting flush how I wanted it. So this tab right here, I pretty much broke it off so that way it could pretty much sit flush. I might have to break this one off. I'll see once I get back underneath it, but that should let the light sit flush. Another thing I had to do is just extend this out a little bit more, because the bolt that I'm using, so I did that on the top and on the bottom. But besides that, as you guys can see, like the light fits in there perfect. It's just a couple of things that I needed to adjust so it could sit perfect. All right, fog lights are in on both sides. You guys can see. Fitment is good. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, I appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button. I will be keeping up the build, dropping more videos. I will be letting you guys know what happens with the fender work, and then if I do decide to change the color. But yeah, with that being said, you guys stay safe out there. Much love. See you guys next time.